Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're cooking a load of zucchinis. We have our garden starting to come in, and I've got some zucchinis planted and they are starting to work. So come on and let's eat what we grow. I have some fresh basil. We have fresh basil and fresh oregano also we're going to put in it. And to that too, we're going to add a little Parmesan cheese. And if y'all didn't know you can freeze your cheese, you can. This just come out of the freezer. I keep it in this little container right here. So we're going to add a little bit of that to the top when we get done. So come on and let's start frying this up. Okay, right here we have 3 zucchinis, 1 medium onion, 1 little small tomato, a couple cloves of garlic, a tiny bit of jalapeno peppers, some oregano, and some basil that I got, and that was my Mother's Day present. We're going to start by adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add our onion first and let it start caramelizing just a little bit. A little salt to those onions so they'll start breaking down and cooking. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my zucchini. And give that a toss. Now we're going to add our garlic powder, black pepper, and just a pinch of red pepper flakes. I'm going to add my little bit of jalapeno pepper. And my 2 herbs. And I won't add the garlic till right before I get it almost done, because it don't take garlic long to cook. And now we're just going to let that stir fry for a few minutes. And now to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And see how it's starting to cook down? It don't look like near as much as we started off with. And if you didn't have a fresh tomato, you could use a can of diced tomatoes. Now I'm going to add my tomato. And if you didn't have garlic, you could use minced garlic. We lost the tomato over here, y'all. It's smelling good. There goes my garlic in. And my zucchinis are almost done. I don't want them done all the way. I want them to have a little texture left to them, a little crunch. So now we're going to give all that a mix. And we're fixing to plate this up. And now we're going to add a little of the Parmesan cheese to the top. And now just to give it a little more green, a little cilantro on the top. Now we're going to service up a serving. Okay, y'all, there's our zucchini stir fry. If y'all like this video and you give it a try, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.